Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe, wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. This is your twin flame soulmate reading for the month of April. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. I don't read reversals and gender is not specific here. So now let's start your reading. Let's see what are the messages. I'm going to take 5 cards from this deck. Okay, now let's see what are the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading for the month of April. Okay, please help me out, guys. Sorry. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Please give me the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius. Wow. Okay. Give me 2 more. I'm not going to take it. Okay. Give me 2 more. What is the message for Aquarius twin flame TikTok? Give me 1 more. Deep knowing. Okay. So there is some kind of unfinished symphony which is here. Okay, then there is higher power. You are now going to connect it to the higher power. Okay, you're rising your vibrations and you are going to connect it in 5D to the divine. You are connecting yourself to the higher power. Then there is new life which is coming for you, Aquarius. There is TikTok, that means there is a divine timing which is here. Okay, which is playing an important role in your life. And here I'm having deep knowing. You already have this knowing inside of you that divine timing is here. You are having this deep knowing inside your soul. Okay, let me see what are the messages from this deck. Please give me 5 messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. Please give me 5 messages. Wow, new beginnings. New life, new beginnings are coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, new life, new beginnings in the month of April for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. Can you see? This is bottom of the deck. I'm having Empress, the fertility here. Give me 4 more messages for Aquarius twin flame reading. Rejoice in celebration. Wow, celebration is coming towards you because your heart chakra is getting open up. Can you see? You are closing out a cycle here with someone. This is the this is the destiny. This is beautiful. Give me 3 more messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. Your base chakra is getting activated. Your solar plexus chakra is getting activated. Wow. Victory and success. Bottom of the deck, I'm having awareness. This is awareness. This is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You are using your intuitions. Okay, you are aware, you are using your intuitions here. Can you see? 1 2 3, I can see all the numbers. Maybe you are finding 333. Okay, that number synchronicity can be possible. There's crown chakra which is activating for you. There is solar plexus chakra and there is base chakra which is activated here. There is victory and success. Bottom of the deck. Wow. Or you can getting the number 666, memories of love, and your third eye is also getting activated. So you may be getting the number synchronicities of number 666 or 111 or 222 or 333. So these can be the number synchronicities which you can be getting here. Okay, beautiful, beautiful messages, I can say that. Let's see more messages from this deck. What are the messages? Do what you love, Aquarius. Do what you love. Look forward. Admit your vulnerabilities, reevaluate your priorities. One more message. Raise your vibration and be patient, okay? Be patient, have patience. Raise your vibrations, reevaluate your priorities, admit your vulnerabilities, look forward. Okay? There is do what you love. Beautiful. So these are the messages from this deck. Let's add some messages from the... There is spiritual maturity which is coming for you, Aquarius. What are the messages for Aquarius? Twin flame, soulmate reading for the month of April. Please give me the messages. Wow. Soulmate is coming for you, Aquarius, in the month of April. There is a soulmate which is coming for you. You need to set up your boundaries, set up healthy boundaries around yourself here. You need to set up healthy boundaries. Any other message for Aquarius, twin flame soulmate reading? You becoming more mature than before. Beautiful. Can you see? Commitment is coming towards you. Commitment and a soulmate is coming towards you. Now you are becoming much more mature. Maturity is coming for you and you have to set up healthy boundaries. Let me see one more message. One more message for Aquarius, twin flame soulmate reading. Intimacy. So maybe you can get the intimacy. Okay. So these can be the messages. Let's see what are the messages from the twin flame tarot deck for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. Please give me the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. What are the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? Avoid temptation and addiction. There is a devil energy around you. Then there is acceptance, the art of accepting yourself and everyone in the universe. There is a twin flame. This is your mirror soul. So some of you are dealing with your twin flame and some of you there is a soulmate here. They are helping you out to grow. Okay, so there is someone who is they going to get a soulmate here, and soulmates always help you out to grow here. And someone here is your twin flame. This is your mirror soul. There is someone who is stop chasing and focused on yourself. You need to stop chasing. If you are in a runner chaser form, stop chasing the divine masculine or stop chasing the divine feminine and focus on yourself. There is death and rebirth here. Okay, the death of yesterday is a birth of today. Okay, there are things which are ending, and here again the divine timing is here. The TikTok. Where is the message? Where is the card here? Okay, co-creating divine timing, co-creating your journey. Okay, there is divine timing. There is TikTok which is here. Beautiful. Thank you. There is bottom of the deck I'm having spirituality, balance and meditate yourself here, Aquarius. So these can be the messages for you. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what you need to surrender. What Aquarius needs to surrender for twin flame and soulmate reading. Please tell me what Aquarius needs to surrender. Surrender to the divine timing. Aquarius, you need to surrender yourself to the divine timing. See? Surrender to the divine timing. Surrender to the divine timing. Here again. In 3 decks, I'm getting the divine timing. You, in your deep knowing, you know that there is a divine timing. Okay, so surrender yourself to the divine timing. Okay, that's the message I'm getting. And I'm really sorry if you listen the voice in the background, because my Kids are playing in my home. Okay, sometimes divine timing may differ from your ego timing. If a goal is not manifesting fast enough according to your ego, be patient and trust the universal flow. Okay, so surrender yourself to the divine timing. Surrender your need to be always be right. Give others the gift of letting them right. Be yielding, be not rigid. This will help resolve conflicts and improve your relationship. So these are the two things which you need to be surrendered here. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what is the life purpose Aquarius is having. Please give me the life purpose for Aquarius. So you are protected, you are safe and supported while you change your career. Okay, maybe you are thinking to change a career, because here I'm having career change. Okay, so you are protected here, Aquarius. You can change your career. You are embarking upon a career that brings you the joy and abundance you deserve and desire. Okay, so there is a career change and you are protected, you are safe and supported while you change your career. Then there is teaching. You inspire young people to learn. You can be a teacher, that can be your life purpose. Then there is writing. You heal, inspire, teach and entertain with the words you write. You can be a writer. Okay, then there is creative expression. Your souls long to express itself creatively, so you can be a painter. You can like drawing. Okay, you can creatively express yourself. These can be your life purpose. Let's add one message from the power of love. Give me the message for Aquarius. I got two. Okay. Priorities. You understand the paramount importance of manifesting love in all. Okay. So the first message for you is priorities. Then there is creativity. You love to devise new ideas, innovations and forms of illuminations. So you are having priorities and creativity. So these are the two messages. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages to my Aquarius. Let's add one soul lesson. What soul lesson? Service. I feel good when I can help others. So that's the soul lesson which you need to learn, that you feel good when you help others here. Okay, let me see more message from my Twin Flame Oracle deck. I have not used this deck so long period of time. Give me the messages for Aquarius Twin Flame soulmate reading. Trust yourself. Listen to your soul's guidance here, Aquarius. Okay, listen to yourself, trust yourself, listen to your soul guidance. Twin flame stages, you are always connected, union here. Okay, your twin flame stages is here. You are always union commencing, that is here. Astrological transits, get informed. Cosmic energy is either pushing you or supporting you here. Okay, so astrological transits is here. Then there is new doors are opening up. Embarrassed change opportunities are showing up for you. This is beautiful. Your passion. Spend time on your divine gifts to activate your twin flame song. Use your passion. Work on your passion. Let me see any other message. Any other message for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? No, too many messages. Okay. So yes, this was your message from this deck, and thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from the universe. Give me the messages to Aquarius. What are the messages? Please give me message to Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. What are the messages? Okay. Stop dwelling to your past and let it go, Aquarius. Let it go. Okay, stop dwelling to your past and let it go. There is release all the fears and doubts to the divine. You need to release all the fears and doubts to the divine. Write your thoughts and innermost desires in the journal. So you can write your all things. You can write a diary basically. Okay, stay in your power. You need to stay in your power. Engage in creative activities to stir your imagination, your creativity. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let me see what are the messages from the angels. What are the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? What are the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? Obsession. Too many messages. Okay. Let me see messages from angels. Answers. What are the messages for Aquarius twin flame reading? What are the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? Remain positive. Look for a sign and peaceful resolution. Okay. Trust. Let me see all cards first, then I'm going to tell you the messages. What are the messages for Aquarius twin flame reading? Shift your perception. Shed old skin. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Okay, so now let's start. Thank you all angels and ancestors to give the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Okay. So there is the first message for you is obsession. Angels wants you to understand that obsession is like a poison. Be that for a lifestyle, job, relationship or thinking. Identify your obsession traits and distance yourself from them. So maybe you are having some kind of obsession. So you need to figure out what kind of obsession you are having and you need to get over from this obsession. There is subliminal faith. Have unflinching faith in the divine. Despite what may transpire in your life, have faith that every aspect has been ordered by a higher power. That's why the next message was the same message, that you need to keep your trust. Okay, keep your trust. Everything is happening according to the divine timing. Everything is being ordered from the divine. Okay, you need not to worry. Okay, you need not to be worried. Trust. See, you didn't need not to be worried. Trust. So there is remain positive. You need to remain positive here. Okay, look for a sign, and there is peaceful resolution which is coming for you. These are the messages from the angels answers. Then there is power and intention. Self-acceptance is required for you, Aquarius. There is power and intention. And there is harmony and resolution in your romance and connection which is coming for you. So these are the messages from your angels. Thank you angels for giving the messages. Then there is air guardian. Shift your perception. Okay, you need to see the picture from a higher perspective. See the picture from a different perception here. There is hunter. Track down your fears and your desires. Okay, then there is snake. Shed old skin. Okay, then there is shield maiden. Make plans and focus. So these are the messages from your angels. Thank you angels for giving the beautiful messages. Now let's see what are the messages from your romance oracle. Now let's see what are the messages from the love oracle. Trust. Very soon. Okay, separation. You deserve love. Stay optimistic about your love life. Too many messages. messages? What are the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? See, too many messages. Okay. What are the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? What are the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? Free yourself. Too many messages. Okay, that's it. Okay, so you need to trust. Okay, see, again the trust is here. So trust the divine, trust the universe. Very soon is here. Very soon the separation is going to end. Okay, very soon the separation is going to end, and you have to be stay optimistic about your love life. Okay, you deserve love. Okay, you deserve love, Aquarius, but you need to love yourself first. Okay, love yourself first. Free yourself. Take time to take back control of your life. Okay, free yourself. And there is, this could be the one, the new love and the new one, this could be the one. And there is honeymoon which is coming for you. Okay, so these are the messages which I'm getting for you from the love oracle. Okay, now let's see what are the messages, what are the zodiac signs which you may be dealing with. Okay, what are the zodiac signs? Aquarius twin flame reading for this reading. They can be a water sign here. Okay, they can be a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. They can be a January baby. Either you are born on January or your partner is born on January or on August. Okay, what are the signs Aquarius dealing with? They can be a Capricorn here. They can be a Libra. Okay, they can be a Scorpio. They can be a May baby. Or they can be a November baby here. Okay, let me add more signs. What are the signs? Okay, so they can be a Leo here. They can be an Aries. They can be a Scorpio here. See, Scorpio is coming 2 times. So they can be a Scorpio here. They can be a Virgo. Any other sign. They can be a Sagittarius. They can be Aquarius. So these can be the signs of your partner, of your twin flame or your soulmate. Okay, so this was your reading for the month of April. This was your twin flame and soulmate reading for the month of April. I hope I help you out in some manner. Take care of yourself, Aquarius. Sending you lots of healing, light, happiness wherever you are in the world. Okay, take care of yourself and see you soon.